थोड़ा पीछे
Ladies and gentlemen, I request you. Now I request you to please unveil the collection now. Thank you. We're excited to unveil the collection.
अरे अनिल भाई कहाँ घुस रहा है?
रुक जाओ Excuse me, look up. Yeah. Yummy. Look up. Thank you.
हाथ में क्यों डाला?
कैमरा में है यार. Look at right. Yummy.
Thank you very much, and I request Mr. Ravikant and the lovely Yami Gautam to please come back on stage. And we open the floor to questions from the media. Mr. Ravikant and Yami.
Right.
Straight. Look at left.
The paparazzi.
Straight.
Mr. Ravikant and Yami are getting lonely on stage.
आपसे जुड़ा हुआ है कि अभी फेस्टिवल है, दिवाली सब कुछ, तो आप टाइटन रागा की क्या किसको गिफ्ट देना चाहती हैं? किसी को कुछ ऐसा सोचा है अभी? आई थिंक मैं उन्हें गिफ्ट देना चाहूँगी जिन्होंने मुझे मेरी पहली टाइटन रागा गिफ्ट की थी, विच इज़ हु इज़ माई मदर, एंड शी इज़ द वन हू इंट्रोड्यूस्ड मी टाइटन रागा. और मैंने पहली मेरी वॉच टाइटन रागा भी कॉलेज में थी, विच इज़ I must share this, which is again inspired by my mother. So I've seen her wearing it, and it's nice how how generations evolve, even brands evolve, and with coherence with the contemporary times. So yes, it's my mother.
Yami ji, let's know about your new projects. आपने बड़ी अच्छी फिल्म की है, विक्की डॉनर, बदलापुर. And do you agree that Raga is a musical name also?
Raga, yes, it is music.
Ravi, you can also say.
So would you like to answer that?
हाँ, तो आपका क्वेश्चन क्या था? रागा इज म्यूजिक.
अच्छी बात है वो उसमें.
हाँ, वो तो मैं मानता हूँ आपके साथ. बस आपका सवाल क्या था?
कि आने वाली 2 फिल्में कर चुके हैं, कुछ अगला प्रोजेक्ट बताएं.
अगला प्रोजेक्ट है सनम रे, जो वैलेंटाइन डे रिलीज है. इट्स अ लव स्टोरी, इट्स एन इंटेंस लव स्टोरी ऑपोजिट पुलकित सम्राट, और टी सीरीज की पिक्चर है जो दिव्या कुमार डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं. टी सीरीज नोन फॉर इट्स आई थिंक सम ऑफ द मोस्ट मेमोरेबल म्यूजिक. तो आप देखेंगे काफ़ी टाइम के बाद एक इंटेंस, जैसे कहते हैं, एक म्यूजिकल लव स्टोरी.
Yami, okay. So Yami, it's a common saying that time is money. So what do you think, that time is money or money is time? What do you think about time?
I think they go hand in hand. They totally go hand in hand. If I don't value time, that means I don't value money. And I think no matter how big a person you become, if you take time for granted, I think there's always a comeback time for it. There's too much of time happening, but I think in bottom line, yes, time is money.
Meanwhile, I would like to say that you are looking absolutely great. So what is that thing, what makes you to stop the shows? Why do you like to stop the show?
Stop the show? Just okay.
Stop the show sounded very different, but what
that
do you
I
mean?
can do that.
What do you mean is a showstopper? Yeah.
Yeah. I think he's great. See, to be honest, I think everybody is now aware of my journey. Never been a professional model. I'm not a Bombay girl. I'm not from a film family. Totally a Chandigarh girl who was a total little geeky in her own. So my journey from books to ramp and to camera and all. It's sometimes even I sit and think that wow, I think it feels very different. And I think ramp show again, because usually our lives, I think, is restrained to set and our film, the whole. Atmosphere. When you come to events like these, platforms like these, for such esteemed brands that I walked here today for, and to meet all of you, to interact with all of you, you get a different perspective altogether. It's a different type of a platform to interact and to showcase your personality and come out, and for causes and for reasons like this, I think is what makes it more beautiful than just being.
When somebody that gorgeous comes, the show has to stop, right? Any more questions? Or should we stop the show? All done? There will be an opportunity for one-to-one interaction as well.
When do you expect people that everybody would go for watches and like earlier we used to tell?
Mic, please. Mic, please.
When do you, if I have to repeat your question, when do we expect everyone to wear watches?
Yeah, like earlier people used to mobile.
Starting tomorrow.
Yes,
so like I said, most people you see today wear watches. Also because like she said, it's very much a style accessory, and it is not just a phenomenon in large and big towns and metros. Even in small towns today, people are aspiring for watches. People are aspiring for. In the big towns, it's become a status symbol. So which brand you wear becomes important. Like I said, it's only amongst some youth you see that they don't wear watches today. But for them, we have created a separate brand, and we're going to be coming out with many more reasons, which we will announce very shortly, and give consumers to wear a watch. Give a reason to consumers to wear a watch.
Yeah. I think even youth ko exam hall mein to watch ही पहनते हैं. I don't think a cell phone is allowed.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Because special class की 80,000 लाख रुपए महंगी घड़ियां पहनने लोग हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Status symbol है ना.
That's right.
For youngsters सबको आना चाहिए. ऐसा होना चाहिए.
I think they are. See, I'm a youngster, and that's what I'm trying
Absolutely,
to say.
yeah.
I think being a girl, आजकल मैं वही कह रही हूँ, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा लड़कियों को even शादियों पे and all that बहुत देखती नहीं हूँ with too much jewelry. I'm not against jewelry. Of course, that remains very legal and very special to us. But I think that's also a different style statement which is catching on very, very fast, that how minimally now that you're dressed in terms of accessories. Oh, you quote me wrong. So I think watch is what better thing can, than a watch, and that also Titan Raga, because I'm not saying because I'm sitting here, but honestly it's because I've seen this with my mother, my sister, and even future generation. It blends really well with the kind of where we come from. I think very, very, very effortlessly. And I think the kind of collection that they have, today we launched the Moonlight collection, you have so many varieties that you can just pick and choose for every occasion, and I'm sure even exams as well. So that honestly.
Just to add to what she's saying, I think this is a reflection of the evolving Indian woman. I mean, in her case, probably a girl is what I should say. But today, status comes from how you project yourself. That is how people perceive you. Many years back, status was in the form of women used to dress up for an occasion and look like a mobile jewelry shop. The way, it was about how much of jewelry you're wearing, as opposed to today, it is how minimalistic you are, but making an impact. I think that's what she's saying. And that is how the woman is today evolving. And watch is becoming an integral part of their lives.
Right.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming once again, and thanks Yami for joining us today.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Mr. S. Ravikant and Yami Gautam. Thank you very much. Okay, so on behalf of Titan Company, I would like to thank the members of the media for being with us. Please do join us for lunch and enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you very much for your valuable time. And now we have an opportunity for one-on-one interactions with Mr. Ravikant and with Yami. So I request Yami to please cooperate with that. Thank you.
Yami, looking stunning in the red avatar. It's always nice to see you as a fashion stylist. Tell us about the fashion tips that you follow to look so stunning.
Well, for today, I think I'm not the star. This is the star. That's Titan Raga Moonlight collection, and as always, minimal accessories. And I think it's the product which speaks for itself, which has been there for since generations and been at the same. And I think spoken about the contemporary fashion about every generation, and it stands out. I think it speaks volumes about itself even today. That's Titan Raga.
How it feels to be the part of this? How it feels to be the part of this show? How it feels to be the part of this show and become a showstopper for the Titan Raga?
I think it's a huge privilege. I'd like to have Sir speak, I think, about this collection. And as far as this brand is concerned, it feels really great and very privileged and it's a little nostalgia because when you're growing up and when you're in college and all, and you pick up your first brand, which for me was Titan Raga, and today I'm walking the ramp for them and wearing their collection, it feels like, okay, you've maybe done something. So I'll have Sir speak about it.
Well, we are delighted to have Yami unveiling this new collection for us. The Raga Moonlight collection is inspired from how the elements come alive in the night under moonlight, and so we've got some 5-6 stories behind the 33 models that we have. It's been created in-house, and it is all about craftsmanship and dressing up. It is timed with the coming festive season. We have a lot of loyal customers of Raga who keep waiting for the next collection. We've had many successful launches in the past. This again is likely to be a great success, and it is truly dedicated to the Indian woman who's changing with time. And so it's about the Indian woman who's very confident, who's very graceful, very sensuous to some extent, and that is why we're launching this collection just in time for the season.
Yami, you haven't seen much of you in Bollywood. Have you kind of become choosy as far as roles and selecting scripts to what is the brand like?
I'm just a newcomer. How can I become so choosy? I think it's just the beginning. I think last it was Badlapur. I think did really well. I'm very glad. And next you'll see even Valentine's, which is a musical, intense love story.
So there are so many brands to watch. Which one is your favorite?
Yeah, again? I don't know.
Yami is the first choice for this brand?
Yes, Yami is the first choice. Yes.
So are you happy or not about it? Thank you. He's happy.
Yami, tell us 5 fashion tips that someone should follow, a woman should follow to look stunning always.
No, I'm not getting into that. I think, no, I'll be very honest. I think it's about respecting and knowing your personality really well. For me, what works is minimal accessory. And I'm not saying this because I stand here, I have to talk about Titan Raga. What I love about it is it's a jewelry design, but yet it's beautiful, it's elegant, it's very sleek, it's very stylish, and it serves the festive season, I think, the mood really well. I think it sets it really well, where you don't have to deck up so much. That's my personal style statement. I don't like, donning too much. I'm not a very, very heavy jewelry person. So I'll have it. I think it's a style statement of its own. So I think just be yourself, have a big smile, and try and run out.
Yami, any new projects that you have signed in Bollywood, apart from Sanambre and the other people?
I think I like to bounce off this question for some time because I like to give, talk about the reason that we're here. I'd love to talk about films also. We'll have a lot of promotions coming up, so you'll see me then.
Okay, Yami, तो आपका Valentine Day plan क्या होने वाला है?
Titan Raga से Valentine क्या करते हैं आप?
आपकी फिल्म भी रिलीज होने वाली है Valentine Day.
I think promotions ही होंगी उस time भी, and I hope film बहुत अच्छा करे, आप सबको म्यूजिक पसंद आए, आप सबको पिक्चर पसंद आए.
Thank you so much.
तुम लोग तो बहुत मच है. निकाल रहे हैं तुम लोग बहुत मच किया.